good, YouTube, man? We back. We got another banger video, man. Today, I don't even know if y'all can see me because it's like hella dark outside, but it's nighttime, which means we're gonna do some ignorant shit, man. Follow me. Follow me to this bitch. Damn, I know y'all hear this bitch. Oh, y'all hear this bitch. But today, we are going to be sliding every corner. If y'all look around my neighborhood, we are going to be sliding every corner. What the fuck did you say? Yeah. But nah, as y'all can see, it's hella snow outside, so we're gonna be sliding every single corner in this video today, and I'm probably gonna slide somewhere for y'all. I really just got done, but I didn't have my camera, so I didn't record half of that shit. But we finna jump in the V right now, and then we're gonna go slide every single corner. So before we get into it, like the video, subscribe if you're new, and shit, what else? I'll comment on the video, and let's get into that bitch. All right, y'all. So fuck it. I mean, first corner technically the driveway, so we can slide out of this bitch. Hold on, cause this bitch is obviously not in sport mode. Wow. All right, bet. Damn, if I could make it out the neighborhood, slide. And I'm doing this with one hand, y'all. Damn. Oh, we sideways as hell. Still sideways. Hold on. I'm gonna roll down the other window for y'all. Oh shit. Let me roll down this window too, so y'all can see. Cause I don't like when you're recording a video, you can't really see. Like when you get sideways, you can't really see it. I ain't gonna lie, this right here is my favorite corner to slide in a snowstorm, my nigga. I ain't gonna lie. Every snowstorm, I come to this bitch and act a fool. Hey, these houses probably like, man, here come this nigga again. I come to this corner and act a nut. It's gonna be hard to do with one hand though. I wish I had a cameraman with me or something. But boom, you just hit this bitch right here. Okay, keep getting sideways. And then boom, you swing that hoe back like these type shit. Feel me? And you just cruise on some shit like that. You feel me? Bro. Nah, as y'all can see how I slide on snow, just wait till this summer. I'm swapping my dip on, bro. Like, I'm really swapping my dip this summer, and I'm sliding all summer. I'm telling you. Like, obviously, it's way easier to slide on snow. I'm just saying, like, bro, imagine if I had a real, if I had a diff, like damn, nigga, what am I trying to say? If I had like a scat diff or a cat diff or something, like, bro, I swear, like, I'd be sliding all the time. The clips and shit that y'all always see me sliding, like, that really just be on some bullshit. But like, y'all see, like, I can manji this, I'm finna manji this bitch all the way up the street. Watch this. Start this though. Waking the neighborhood up. We finna go slide right here. I literally just left this bitch. I just got done sliding right here. So hopefully this bitch ain't hotter than nothing. But we gonna slide for y'all boys right here. I ain't gonna lie. All right, bet. Now it's time to rock out, bro. For all y'all that don't know how to slide, it's all gas. Then the steering wheel, that's next important, but the most important is the gas. Y'all can hear every time I tap the gas, but just pay attention to the steering wheel though on some shit. Feel me? Just like that. And you got it, bro. You get wide. Hold on, I'm finna show you how to get a little wide real quick. So y'all see how wide we just got? We was all the way over there. Feel me? This is what we finna do. I'm finna spin out for y'all, and then I'm gonna go the other way. Y'all ready? So hold on. Spin out like this. Boom. Straight like. Boom. No, I just spun out again. I wasn't trying to do that. Alright, we finna get out of here though, cause we being hella noisy. So what we finna do is slide right on up out this bitch. Literally. y'all can see, I'm using one hand, by the way. So imagine if I had two. Hold on, ain't no cars coming. Y'all see me at this intersection right here? Slide the intersection, Pat. Fuck it. Why not? On some shit like that. On some shit like that. Like, I ain't gonna lie, snowstorm, I'm just trying to have fun, bro. I ain't even gonna lie. I just put just a little bit of gas in here for this vid. But good little snowstorm, bro. I've been put up all day. Like, you feel me? I'm just trying to have some fun for real. For sure finna hit this corner though. No cars coming. Oh, that's the boys. Damn. Fuck it. Damn. This bitch act like he ain't want to turn. I hope they ain't turning right. Alright, bet. Yeah, I don't want nobody behind me fucking up my. You feel me? Let me get my slide in. Then y'all niggas can do whatever the fuck y'all want after that. Alright, hold on. The light turned green. I'm finna wait for this car to go past. On some shit. Man, we finna slide. Finna slide right here. See, hey, I'm acting bad tonight. I'm sliding intersections and some more shit. I'm probably putting hella weight on my motor right now. Let's check the temps. Oh yeah, my baby tired. That bitch at 214. My shit don't never get that hot, but when you slide, your temps gonna get hot. Should I slide in the middle of the street right here? Is it a car behind me? No. Okay, slide right here. Hella fun. Hold on. Alright. Nah, actually go back to the temps, cause yeah. This bitch just might get a little warm tonight. Should I slide at this light, chat? I'm talking about chat like I'm streaming. Should I slide at this light next? What do y'all think, man? I don't know. I'll let y'all know when it turns green how I'm feeling. Depending on how much traffic out here, cause you know. I might just park right here real quick. Oh, this nigga turning down. I can't even do that shit. Hold on. We just gonna turn this bitch around right here. Alright. If I ain't get stuck. Alright, it is cars right here. Yeah, y'all see them cars? You fucking with me, gang? Oh yeah, he fucking with me. Imagine I just get in this bitch tomorrow. Oh shit. Right here. It's a dead end. Spin this bitch around, gang. No! Oh, damn. I just hit. No. No, chat. That's bad. I ain't gonna lie. That's bad. Hold on. That's bad. Hopefully I ain't fucks it up, but we finna see on the way home. This bitch still sideways. Hopefully I didn't just break shit. That would be really fucking irritating. But you know what they say, if you play stupid games, you what? Alright, yeah, I don't know how much longer this video gonna be because there's really not no substance to it besides me just sliding around in the snow. So I'm about to slide like a couple more corners for real. I actually gotta go to the store, so I'm gonna do that real quick. I'm gonna slide this corner that we at right now, and then the store is up there, and then I'm gonna slide some more corners like in my neighborhood type shit, and that's gonna be it. I just really want to. I was having fun. I was already having fun. I'm like, nigga, record this shit. Man, that bitch, how was that? But the lightning turned green. Hold on. That shit crazy, bro. Like, I'm really fucking, oh shit. I'm really fucking Toretto in this bitch, man. I'll slide this bitch through the store parking lot. Nigga, say I won't. You won't. All right, bet, nigga. Hold on. Who won't, nigga? On who? On who I want? On who I want, nigga? On who I want? Right to the parking spot. Watch this. On who I want, chat. On who I want, chat. On who I want, put this bitch in the parking spot, chat. Look, this shit live. Chat, watch it. I'm finna put this bitch in. Chat, this shit is live. Hold on. Oh, motherfucker. On who? Chat. Who won't slide this bitch right to the parking spot, nigga? Who won't, nigga? Who won't slide this bitch right to the parking spot? Bro, I'm a fool, bro. Hold on, let me go to the store real quick. Hold on. Alright, y'all, I just came out the store. Y'all said slide right here one more time, bro. Y'all, I ain't gonna lie. Y'all said slide right here one more time. Like, y'all, I ain't gonna lie, y'all kind of begging a little bit. But I do that shit just because. But I ain't gonna lie, y'all niggas begging, bro. Oh, damn. Begging ass niggas, man. Slide it again, slide it again. Like, nigga, alright. Damn, hold on. Alright, now, I ain't even get to bag this bitch out yet. Y'all already begging. Slide again, nigga. Try to bag this bitch out. Alright, if y'all niggas insist, man. This one gonna be a little quick, y'all, man. I don't got all night. You know, some people got, you know, lives and shit. Y'all want me to just slide all day and shit? Like, who got time for this shit, man? Like, I always wanted to do a donut like this, like where I ain't moving. Like, I'm really just in one spot, just sliding. I was gonna go in manual, but I can't shift and record and steer at the same time. So I'm just gonna pray I don't fuck up my transmission. Just spin out real quick. You say, spin out and do a 360 for nothing. Freestyling while I got cushion on. Oh shit, you finna come slide too? I see that nigga? Finna slide? Oh no, he ain't sliding. Spin out and do a 360 for nothing. Freestyling while I got cushion my lung. Crocodile Burberry, that's what I'm on. Y'all know that song? It's hard to choose one by Future. Alright, let's get the fuck out of here. Wait, it's a car coming. Oh, he slide on up out of here. Literally, chat. Literally slide up out of this bitch, though, man. Y'all niggas talking about I ain't Toretto. Man, please. Man, please, chat. I'm literally Dominic Toretto Jr., though, on some shit. Feel me? I'm doing some real ignorant shit right now. Even though this is nobody's choice but mine, it's still ignorant as fuck. I ain't want to bang that shit. I ain't gonna lie. That would have been terrible. That would have been like the worst shit ever. And that bitch in literally, like, bro, actually in 4K, that shit would be crazy. Please make sure y'all niggas subscribe, man. If y'all made it this far in the video, comment. I don't know. Comment your fucking age or something. Comment your birthday or anything, bro. I don't know what to tell you. I really can't get you nothing for your birthday. But if your shit soon, happy birthday, my nigga. But comment anything, bro. Feel free, bro. Comments, judge, free zone, and everything. Wait, it's a, wait, I ain't gonna be able to slide that, though. I think it's something in the middle of that hoe. If it is, they smart. Hold on, let's go check it out. I smell rubber, all kind of shit, bro. Yeah, it's time to park this motherfucker. Oh yeah, it is something in the middle. Damn, they smart as hell, cause they just knew a nigga like 345 Lil Pat was gonna come through this bitch today. Damn, that's smart. Cause I was finna, fuck it, man, we in this bitch. I don't wanna smack no trash cans though. This bitch ain't wild enough, I don't think. Let me see. If I do this, chat, I'm really Toretto. Chat, y'all see that? Oh, don't smack the trash can. And I didn't. Y'all see that shit? I'm really Toretto, gang. I'm trying to tell y'all. Hold on. I'm gonna do a 360 right here so that I can slide this corner. So now I can come right back. Like these. And then come back. Oh, I'm literally sideways, bro. I don't know if y'all can see it or not. So I'm finna turn right here, fuck it. I don't need. No! It's bad, it's bad, it's bad. God damn, bro. I'll keep smacking, bruh. Fuck, I ain't Toretto, bro. Y'all got it, chat. I ain't even hit the curb, but I just fucking, I didn't try to do that. So that slide don't count. That slide don't count, bro. I'll give y'all that one. But everything else I did was rough though, bro. Including this one. Alright though, I ain't gonna lie. That's gonna wrap it up for this video, man. If y'all haven't already subscribed to my shit, man, y'all just lame at this point. We finna get out here though. What else I gotta say? I don't know shit. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'm out, bruh.